Hey tech fans, welcome to Tech Review and this is Gani. In this video, I'm gonna unbox JBL Infinity Glide 100, a best wireless earphones in just $13 or approximately 1000 rupees. So without wasting the time, let's begin the unboxing.
Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting techie videos, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up.
So here we have the box. The box is pretty lightweight. So let's break the seal and see the specs given on the box. Named as Infinity by Herman Glide 100. At the bottom of it, some short specs and side of it there's a frequency response logo. Let's say here we have some specs. Has up to 7 hours audio playback, magnetic cable management, IPS waterproof resistant, and 3-button remote with microphone and comfort fit. And side of it, the price is 2999, but I got it for only 999. The purchase link is in the description and nothing else. So let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. Here we have the inner parts like user manual as well as a warranty card. Let's see if we wish to read or not. So let's keep it aside and see the other stuff we get. We get a earphone and a USB to micro USB cable and a pair of small tips and large tips. These earphones comes with medium tips. The buds has a magnetic attraction. At side of it has a charging port of input 5 volts and 1 ampere, and we can see a hole for mic. It comes with 3-button control. The mid button is for power on or off and music pause or resume. Let's turn it on and see the performance. Here we have the light blinking to get connected. Side buttons are for volume up and down and also for change music. The magnets are pretty strong. Friends, in my experience, the earphones are awesome in bass. The mids and highs are super balanced, but I feel that the wires of the earphones should be a little bit long, and buds should be made up of metal instead of plastic. It feels much plastic, so I cannot recommend you people to buy it. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe and help me to monetize my channel. Thanks for watching.